Just about to go and get a trailer ready to go and collect the pigs. Then I realised got a fault with the electrics on the tow hitch, so I need to quickly get a new one fitted, get that ready, get it hitched up to the landy, and then roll off and get over to Skipton to pick up the wee new piggies. So yeah, so never a dull moment. So we've got the new coupling all set up now. That's will be wired up. We're just going to put a divide in there so we can put the pigs in here. But then we've got some feed to pick up from Carsbellington in the back, so we need to use that little area there, but nice and clean, ready for the pigs. And we're just going to go and get a little bit of straw to throw in. I'm just going to put that in for the piggies. Always remember, when you stand on the tailgate, if you've not got it attached to a vehicle, it's going to tip up. Ready? Oops, ready? You're ready to rumble and collect them pigs. And off we go. Right, we're ready. We're a little bit later because the electrics were a little bit iffy. Need to have a go at them. So we're loaded up and we are ready to rumble. Yes. So we're going to get on our way and go and pick up the wee little piggies. And we'll keep you posted as we go along. And hopefully it'll be a nice easy journey over to Skipton and an easy journey back with the wee ones via Carsbellington, because we need a little bit of animal feed. So we've just pulled off at Gisborne Auction Mart and we're off at Carsbellington to collect some animal feed. Yes, here we are. Just back on the road now after picking up some licks and some pig feed. Boy, that's expensive. Woo! And I thought my massive feed was expensive. Jesus. Well, anyway, on the road, we're about, what way now? 25 minutes still to go until we get there. So we better put the camera down because we're going to be driving on the main roads now. New additions to the farm, guys. What do we all think? Yeah? Oh, yes. They're bonny, aren't they?
Oh, you're alright, yeah, Jack. You can't go back anymore. You can't go back anymore, really. Be right. Maybe that's straw now. I'll do it.
Right.
Let Jack in.
Do you get it?
You stand there, Tor. Right.
Come on, Mike.
Whoa, get away.
Hold that.
Come back. Right, you got the gate behind.
You're having. Off you go. I've got pen full.
So we've got the pigs collected now and we are now back on the road to home. Absolutely lovely pigs. Everything's great, all tickety-boo, and we are off. We are back from Yorkshire. What a beautiful place, absolutely lovely. Anybody out there wants to sell me a farm in Yorkshire, Stone Walls? Absolutely love it. We're having a quick brew and then I'm gonna let these guys out. Yep, I'm going to get them out in a bit. And unfortunately, it's myself on my own, so we're going to have to handball them and take them through. So there won't be much footage apart from me with my body on it. True style of farming, nothing ever stays dry, and we are just about to get these girls out of here, and we're going to bring them round. I was hoping the rain would stop, and then we're going to get them in their new bed area here, all set up for them. In here, bed's out there, and everything's ready. And hopefully everything will go to plan. I think the rain's about to stop, and we'll see how we get on. But it's been absolutely chucking it down this afternoon while I've been in an iLivestock productive meeting about product development for the sheep software that we use on the farm, and it also manages the goats that we sort of manipulate the cattle side of it to manage the goats. So yeah, so we're gonna try and record as much as we can. I think I'm gonna put the harness on for this one and see how we get on, because it's just myself and 6 little pigs. See how we get on, guys. This weather is horrendous, but there is hope. I think it's going to stop, so we're going to give it a couple of minutes, and we're going to go in and we're going to try and get one of these pigs. So we see what we can do. Come on. It doesn't hurt them. What we're doing here, we've just got to get them so they okay. And we can get them out. Come on. Can we get them into your bed? In your new bed. In your bed. In we go. That's a nice little female there. Just going in. Come on. In you go, in you go. Go and find your friends. Yes, go on, you got your new bed. And now, we've got the last one. Come on then you're on your own, you want the team, don't you? Come on. I think this is one of my females. Come on, come on. Oh dear, the joys of pig farming. We're going to force it into this corner, and then we're going to try and catch it. And the joys of trying to capture one of the pigs who's there, stalking his prey. Come on, come on. And you have to go in the brambles, don't you? Come on. In you go, in you go, go on. Go on, girls. Yes. So, the girls are in. A little bit harder than what we wanted, but they are happy. Happy as Larry. Oh, yes. Oh. Well, that wasn't as I expected to go to plan. Filming didn't really do much because I had it strapped to my body, and trying to get the pigs out when it's pouring it down, put the camera up and sort them out is not the best. But we've got them in. You can see them over here. They're over here now, just getting used to the bed. And yeah, we're going to go and get them a little bit of feed, put it down, let them get used to being settled, and then they'll have a nice night. But they've got a lovely dry bed, the water there, and yeah, happy as anything they are. Yeah, very happy pigs. And we're going to have a nice big yard out here to play in. And then a massive paddock at the back there, which they can go and rummage around, dig out, and have fun in. So they're going to have a great life. 4 of them are for meat down the line, 2 of them are for breeding, and one of the females is absolutely lovely. So yeah, so we're going to get a bit of feed, and we'll see how they fare throughout the night.